Midjourney is widely considered the best AI image generator for artistic quality. Designers, concept artists, and marketers use it daily for work that used to require hours of manual creation. In this video I cover everything: how to get access, how to write prompts that produce exceptional results, every parameter explained, the new web interface, full pricing, and my honest comparison with DALL-E 3 and Adobe Firefly. Midjourney launched a web interface in 2024 at midjourney.com. You no longer need to use Discord to generate images, though Discord still works. Go to midjourney.com and sign up with a Discord account. Choose a subscription plan. There is no free plan currently. Basic at $10 per month is the starting point. Once subscribed, you can generate immediately in the web interface or continue using Discord if you prefer. Midjourney prompting is an art form. The best prompts describe subject, style, lighting, camera, and mood. Subject: what or who is in the image. Style: photorealistic, oil painting, watercolor, digital art. Lighting: golden hour, studio lighting, neon, dramatic shadows. Camera: wide angle, 50mm lens, aerial, macro. Mood: mysterious, joyful, cinematic. The more specific the style and lighting, the more consistent and professional the result. The key parameters. AR sets aspect ratio 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical, 1:1 for square. V7 is the current best model, always use it. Style: raw gives more literal interpretation rather than Midjourney's artistic flair. Q2 for higher quality at the cost of speed. No followed by a word excludes specific elements. Seed reproduces consistent styles across generations. And cref with a URL uses a reference image for character consistency across multiple generations. Basic is $10 a month with approximately 200 fast generations. Standard is $30 with unlimited relaxed generations, best for regular use. Pro is $60 adding stealth mode, which keeps your images private instead of visible to all Midjourney users. Mega is $120 for maximum generation speed. Annual billing saves 20% on all plans. The honest comparison. Artistic quality: Midjourney wins. It consistently produces the most aesthetically impressive results. Photorealism: DALL-E 3 is competitive, especially for human faces. Commercial use safety: Adobe Firefly wins. It is trained on licensed content only. Text and images: DALL-E 3 wins. Midjourney still struggles with readable text. Price: DALL-E 3 is included in ChatGPT Plus, which many people already pay for. Ease of use: Adobe Firefly is easiest, built directly into Photoshop. Start at midjourney.com, Discord account required to subscribe. Documentation at docs.midjourney.com. DALL-E 3 is available in ChatGPT if you already have Plus. Adobe Firefly is at firefly.adobe.com, all links in the description. Subscribe for more AI tool guides every week.